But they do. It does look futuristic. Bioshock open world trailer is blowing fans away. You're a big Bioshock guy, Will.
Big fan, yeah.
And what is this? We're going to do Grand Theft Bioshock? Is that what's going to happen?
Open world?
It's a concept.
Yeah.
All right. It's quite hard to believe the original Bioshock was all the way back in 2007. You're really old, Will.
Yeah.
Not me, just you.
Yeah. It's a classic back in my day.
And then they came out with the other one, right? What was that? You're swimming around underwater or something? I'm trying to remember now.
Well, yeah, that's the first one.
Oh,
and then
what am I doing in the second one?
it's still the water one.
No, I'm still
and
there.
And then they have Bioshock Infinite.
Do I ever get out of there, or what do I do?
Which is the air.
Ah, okay, that's what it was. You went water to air.
The floating cities.
Gotcha. I need a recollection here. So what if it was an open world game? Well, if it was, then Willie Doo would be all over it, and this would be him playing this concept here. Yeah. Imagining the new Bioshock open world game in Paris. Ooh. Man, these concept guys go hard, don't they?
They do, yeah. This is what, Unreal? Yeah, Unreal.
What? But just look at the Paris details.
Uh-huh.
So it's like future past.
Yes.
What is it, like steampunky?
Sure.
Is that what that art style is?
Uh-huh.
And you're all about it. You're all about the different art games, different art direction, and this is you, because you were yelling the other day and people were like, Will, those two games are by the same developer. What are you even talking about, Will?
What, Valorant?
Of course they look similar, Will.
Sure. No, I hear them.
People were really mad at you, man. Shout out Alberto.
Yeah.
How do you deal with that when the people are really mad at you? What do you do? You meditate?
I go on with my life. I have too many things like in my mind already. I can't, it's like, all right, on to the next one.
So you ignore them is what you're saying.
Well, yeah.
Couldn't they have a concern that you would listen to, or no?
Well, yeah, I definitely, take feedback.
Right.
And if it improves the show or myself, then yeah, I would definitely take it.
You would. That's the stuff you wouldn't ignore.
Yeah.
But if it's criticism that you feel is unjust, you will go on with your life.
Yeah.
As you say, which is good. Mm-hmm. This looks amazing. I'll play this. Absolutely. Can we whip one of these up?
Yeah, just real quick.
That's like 10 years. I feel like they're going to announce this and then I'll be playing this in 10 years if they actually decided to make it. But this old new thing, very attractive. Future past, I'm into it. As if certain things in history didn't happen the way they happened, and somehow you still ended up in the future, but yet other elements carried through. Mm-hmm. This is the opposite of minimal. You know how some people have a futuristic vision of nothing, just lines?
Yeah.
This is the opposite. It's in tremendous detail.
And it has so much character. It just brings the world to life. There's existing assets that are identifiable, but then there's a futuristic architecture to it,
Yeah.
So shout out Teaser Play.
Teaser Play, RTX on. RTX on.
Very cool.
This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.